In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy Clawdbot on a VPS with Node.js and PM2 for 24/7 uptime. First, connect to your VPS over SSH. On Linux or macOS, open Terminal. On Windows, you can use PowerShell or a tool like PuTTY. The connection command looks like SSH root at your server's IP address. Replace the placeholder with your actual VPS IP and press enter. Authenticate with your password or your SSH key. Once you see the server prompt, you're in. Before installing anything, update the system so you have the latest packages and security patches. Run the update and upgrade command and let it complete. This step ensures everything you install next works cleanly and reduces compatibility issues. Next, install the long-term support version of Node.js. Use the node source setup script to add the repository, then install Node.js. When that's done, verify the installation by checking the node and npm versions. If you see version numbers, you're good to go. You'll also need Git to fetch the bot's code. Install Git with a single command, then download the Clawdbot repository by cloning it from your source link. After the clone finishes, change into the project folder. The directory name may match the repository name. Adjust accordingly. Now install the bot's dependencies. Run npm install inside the project folder. This will pull everything listed in package.json. Wait for it to finish without errors. Next, add your Discord bot token so the bot can log in. Open the environment file with a text editor like Nano. You can use either a .env file or a config.json file, depending on how your project is set up. Add your token line in the format Discord bot token equals your token, save, and exit. Keep this token private. Anyone with it can control your bot. Start the bot with Node by running the main script. If everything is configured correctly, the bot should show as online in your Discord server. To keep the bot running 24/7 and restart it automatically, if it crashes or the VPS reboots, install PM2 globally. Start the bot under PM2 with a friendly name, save the process list, and set up PM2 to launch on boot. PM2 will print a command for your system. Copy and run it to finish the startup setup. A few PM2 commands you'll use often. List shows running processes, logs follow